Hi, I'm George with AquaPhoenix. Today I'm going to do some training on Aliquot. The speech-to-text feature in Aliquot is very simple to use. Start your service report, much like you see on my screen. Go into your comment box. For this example, I'm going to choose Add Opening Comment. When I choose that, you come up to the comment box, tap the box, and hit the microphone icon just to the left of the space bar. As soon as I hit that, it'll start recording exactly what I'm saying. You'll notice the words will show up right into the comment box, period. It understands technical words like molybdate or phenolphthalein, period. Simply hit done, and it adds the comments to your report. Save it, continue, and you're ready to start collecting your results. Hopefully this helps speed up your day. If you have any questions, please contact your system administrator. Thank you. Take care.